This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Shuler. Gorgeous brick ranch style home. Immaculate and well maintained with an amazing level/gentle laying yard. This 3-half split floor plan home is 1 mile from the hospital. Nice open living room/dining room and kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Vaulted great room giving you an airy feel. Nice size master with a new updated bathroom with gorgeous tile and a double sink with a huge walk-in closet. Beautiful plantation shutters throughout the home. The yard is beautifully landscaped and offers a park-like atmosphere. Call me today before this beauty is gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Shuler at 828-361-2074.